Welcome to Kishore's Neat Pathasala. In this video lecture, we will learn how to resolve the components, which is a concept of motion in a plane chapter. This resolving component finds wide applications for NEET examination, even for 12 standard chapters and 11 standard chapters. So you must understand this concept. How to resolve components? Suppose this be the y-axis and this be the x-axis. Here there is one force is acting, F vector F, which makes an angle theta with x-axis. Then the component along the angle we want to give cos theta, so F cos theta, and the component which is away from the angle, this y component is away from the angle. Away from the angle means we want to give it as F sin theta. So along the component we want to give cos theta, away from the component we have to give sin theta. Suppose here we are giving, so okay, let us assume the same case. There is a force acting, there is a force which has magnitude F, which makes an angle theta with y-axis. Then the component along the y-axis is along the angle, so you must give along the angle means cos theta, so you are giving it as you are resolving it as F cos theta, and the component along the x-axis is away from the angle, so you are resolving the component along the x-axis to be F sin theta. F resultant is nothing but F cos theta. F cos theta. Sorry, F cos theta is along for this one. Cos theta is along y-axis, F cos theta j cap and F sin theta I cap, whose magnitude comes out to be root of F square into cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, so F resultant is nothing but F. In this way we want to resolve the component. Remember that along the angle cos theta, away from the angle sin theta. Next, another one thing, always suppose you assume this diagram, this one is along the x-axis and this A vector is along the y-axis. If they are asking this angle theta, we can say tan theta is equal to, I assume a parallel vector to A vector. Tan theta is nothing but opposite by adjacent, so it is nothing but y by x. This only I have written it as xth component by yth component. Okay, suppose for example here there is 10 Newton acting, and here there is 5 Newton acting, and the resultant is making theta with 5 Newton. Then tan theta is nothing but, we are assuming a parallel vector to the yth component, that is 10 Newton, which is not, so tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, which is equal to 2. Like this way you want to do. For just example I have shown. Now let us see this question. X and y component of vector are 4 root 3 and 4 meter. X component is 4 root 3 and y component is 4 meter. What angle does the vector make with the positive x-axis, they are asking. So first I am representing it in a graph. Since both are positive, it comes to be in the first quadrant, 4 root 3 and 4. Xth component is 4 root 3 and y component is 4 meter. So here from origin I am joining the line, and they are asking what is the angle it made with the positive x-axis. This is the positive x-axis and this angle they are asking. So I can say tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that comes out to be 1 by root 3. So the theta comes out to be 30 degree. So 30 degree is made by the vector with the positive x-axis. Now let us see another question. A vector lying in the xy plane has magnitude 3. So xy plane, this is the y plane, this is the x plane, and this is the xy plane. The plane between the x and y axis, the xy plane, it has the magnitude 3 and it makes 30 degree with x-axis. So this is making 30 degree with x-axis. Find its component along the two axes. So they are asking to find the component along the x and y axis. So along the angle we want to give cos theta. So I give it as 3 cos theta, and away from the angle we want to give a sin theta. So I am resolving the component along y axis to be 3 sin theta. So component along x axis is 3 cos theta. Here they have given the value of theta as 30 degree. 3 into cos 30, which comes out to be 3 into root 3 by 2. Now let us find the component along the y-axis. 3 sin theta. Theta is nothing but 30 degrees. So 3 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 3 by 2. The 3 root 3 by 2 is the component along the x-axis, and 3 by 2 is the component along the y-axis. Now this is the next numerical. One of the rectangular component of force of 40 Newton is 20 Newton. So remember that, so 40 Newton is the resultant force. One of the component is 20 Newton they have given. Suppose let this be F1 and another force be F2. Its resultant is F resultant, which is 40 Newton. And let us assume F2 to be 20 Newton. Find the angle it makes with this component. So what they are asking, what angle is made by the F resultant with 20 Newton. So what is the angle made by 40 Newton force with 20 Newton force they are asking. Let us assume this to be theta. So we shall assume the hypotenuse side to be 40 Newton and the adjacent side to be 20 Newton. We know that cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. We are not using sin theta because it is opposite by hypotenuse. We don't know the opposite side, so we are using cos theta here, which is 20 by 40, which is 1 by 2. So that theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2, which is 60 degree. I hope you like this video lecture. You would have a clear have a clear concept of resolving component. Please like, share and comment and subscribe Kishore Sneak Pathshala. Thank you.